Hi guys, this is a very funny one, but I said I just had to bring this video up. I just saw this new device and I just want to unbox it. It's the Imose Kampe 3 anti-mosquito and mosquito repellent phone. So guys, I just want you to look at this device and then let's just go through it and then just tell me what you think about this device. So I'll be reviewing this device and then I would like to hear your comments and your reactions at the end of the video. This is the Imose Kampe 3 with the mosquito repellent UV light. So we'll be opening the device now to see what is in the box. So when you open the device, this is what you get. You get a very bulky device, very large, but we'll be keeping that aside and then we'll be seeing what's in the box. You have your earpiece, which is sealed, the leather film. You have your charger. You have your charger in the box. When you open it, you can see it looks very cheap a little bit, and then the earpiece also, when you open it you can see that it doesn't really feel premium though, but yeah, it looks like a very cheap earpiece. And then the battery is quite big, it's huge. So when we open it, let's see what type of battery. Okay, this is the battery and it's quite huge and it's a 10,000 milliamp battery. That's a huge battery. So these are all the things that come in the box of the Imose Kampe 3. So with me here is the black and orange color, so you can see the Imose badge fully in front. At the side you have a red button for the lights, and then at the top you have two bright touch lights and the mosquito UV light at the middle, and at the sides just plain, just orange at the sides. And then at the bottom you can see a USB port, a charging port and a headphone jack. And when you turn to the back, you can see the Imose badge at the bottom of the device and a large speaker grill and also a camera behind the device. And as we move closer to look at the front of the device, you can see very closely the mosquito repellent badge at the center of the device. So probably that will be the button to power on the mosquito repellent UV light. When the device is open, you can see how it looks. It has a triple SIM setup and a micro SD card. The Imose Kampe 3 is quite comfortable to hold once you have inserted the battery, though quite loud when you power on the device. So this is the sound it makes when you actually power on the device. So you can listen to this. For all, we've been waiting for the mosquito repellent UV light. Though as I powered this, I couldn't test to see if it could actually repel mosquitoes. I would have loved to see this in action, but had no means to which I could test this. So I just switched it on and then I saw the light. It was a little purple in color, a little different from the main light. Probably it does repel mosquitoes, but who knows. So if you have tested it and you have proven that it repels mosquitoes, please share a video with me or share on the comments how it's actually repelled mosquitoes. So definitely this is Imose Kampe 3 and handheld is a good device. Probably might use it as a second device because it has a high dual intensity touch light, triple SIM, 10,000 milliamp supported, and it also doubles as a power bank, so I can use it to charge my main device. Definitely a good one from Imose. Funny as it sounds, I could be using this device for a while, but I would like to hear your comments and your thoughts about this device. Could you buy this phone and use it for a while as your mobile driver? You can leave a like and a comment to this and I'll get back to them as I see them. I would really want to know what we think about the Imose Kampe 3 and the Mosquito Repellent UV lights. So this is me signing out from Kata Studios.